This is long overdue. Let's sort this van out. As you can see, this current setup is just not working. Let's sort this out. So guys, welcome back to another one. I've not had a chance to sort a video out this week because we've been flat out and has been off a couple of days, etc. This van is absolutely full of stuff. So first thing I'm going to do is empty this out, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do, all the tools are going to live in here. This one's going, this one's staying. But first, let's just clear this out. Get in there. Look, it's gone. Started to put some lights up. Might get these wired in today. But it's going alright. Done away with that shelving unit here. That's opened this space out for me. In here you've got all boxes, switches, mastics and stuff. In here I've got like a Steinel laser level, a labelling machine for sockets, and then up in here I've got like a little camera and a light and etc. This has to be accessed from the side, so I've left this panel off here so I can go through this side like that. And I've just got some random screws and flex and stuff up there. Got the trestles, tester in a bucket, a few leads and ratchet straps. This thing's got all my Makita stuff in. This thing is, luckily a company sent me this. This is what I charge when I'm on the move my batteries with. So I will put a link in the description below. But this is a nice little bit of kit there. What else? Here's my new tool tote, which I've not really gone through, but we'll go through this at some point. And what cheeky sod has put that in there? That should be in there. And that should be in there. Okay, so I've just added these two bits of wood, that one there and that one there. Literally all the cable is now living on top of the step housing, so I've got a little pair of steps in there, and I've got my pop-up ladder, which is, I think it's a 4.3 metre one, two trestles for cutting on. So this will now stop this cable hopefully rolling out of this door. Here's the cable reeler for the cable, and I'm wondering if I could utilise this space here. If you've got any ideas, give me a comment. I could cut this other shelving unit down and do something there, but I'm not that bothered because at least I can get big things on the angle now across the van. So I had a job to do the other day, cutting. So Andy lent me his 18 volt circular saw and his jigsaw, so I've gone and purchased one of these, and probably next month I'll get one of these. So just, if you do it monthly, the cost is, you know, it's less then. So I'll just show you in here. This is my most used tool. Definitely everyone uses these impact guns. As you can see in here, I've got my chargers. When that 24 volt stuff does die, I will buy the 18 volt stuff. But yeah, I will do an updated van tour, but today we were just sort of sorting the van out because it's just got so messy. As you can see now, it's looking a lot better. There are a couple more bits to go in, so I'll just crack on with that and then I'll show you the end result. These little 12 volt lights which we had on a kitchen build, which were over. So on here I've got a permanent 12 volt feed here. So I'm going to cut into this, I'm just going to put a Wago on it, and then run a cable in this little bulkheady bit down, and probably mount a normal switch here. And let's see how we get on, eh? So another thing, I picked up this little McAllister box. I think it was cut to £3, and I've just got a load of Wagos in here. I will sort this out, but for now this works for me, and I've got a couple more of these which I'll fill up with bits and bobs. So all my lights wire back to 1 point, and then they come down here in a brown, and then there's my brown 12 volt, which is from this light here, and then I've just earthed it down to the chassis with a little mushroom screw. So what I'll do eventually is mount a box here. I've only got a 2-gang switch, but that then switches these on and off. There we go. So that's going to be nice for the winter. Can sit in here and have a cup of tea. Me and Andy can get under the dust sheets and have a nice little cup of tea. The mood lighting on. No, in all seriousness, that is going to make it a lot easier to find the tools in here, because this little light here just doesn't cut it. But now I've got these, that's going to be a lot brighter for me. Just thrown a a fast fix box on it for now. So at least I've got the lights working in the van. Right, done. Probably 2 hours sorting the van out, but you know what it's like when you're on jobs, you just don't have time, you just chuck everything in the van. There's still a few bits I haven't fitted in, but they'll have to go in the shed, in the garden or whatnot. So obviously I had a stack here, that didn't work out, but you know, it's trial and error with a lot of things. You just got to see how things go. Just see what they're like at the end of the day. There you go, I just literally chucked the dust sheets on, it just stops a lot of the rattle in the back of the van. Also covers it up, but if someone wants to break in, they're going to break it in. So we've now got the little snazzy lights working. I will tidy this bit of wiring up with those little plastic clippy things, but for now it's good enough. I'm just going to chuck the big steps in. As you can see, these don't fit in a Doblo like this. You either have to have them on the angle. I do think they fit. So up there, they've made the bulkhead with a little gap at the top, and then they do fit up like that. So there we go, just dried the jumpers off. So thanks for watching, guys. I know it's been a short one. It's been such a busy week. But I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Don't forget to turn the new van lights off. Okay, there's the little bulkhead I'm talking about. You can fit these steps in on the angle like so.